Today we're taking a look at the Ego 56 volt, 5 amp, 42 centimeter, brushless, cordless, self-propelled lawnmower with LED screen kit. Let's check it out. These mowers have been designed to make lawn care quick, easy and more efficient. Whether you're maintaining tight lots or you're working on complex landscapes, these units combine high power with maximum mobility. These kits will get you on your way. Included in the kits are one 56 volt 5 amp battery and one charger, making it easy to get started on your project. One of the key features of these mowers is the upgraded digital LED screen. The clear readout provides real-time tracking of the battery charge status, and you can also instantly adjust the blade rotation speeds and utilize the self-propelled drive mode to match the exact ground conditions, all from one convenient screen at your fingertips. Powered by Ego's advanced 56 volt arc lithium-ion battery technology. This system delivers up to 35 minutes of continuous operation per charge without petrol emissions. With the variable speed self-propelled motor, you are able to choose your preferred speed that suits you and the landscape that you're working on. The mower itself weighs only 22 kilograms, so it's fairly easy to maneuver. Featuring a compact 42 centimeter deck, you are able to navigate these mowers in tight spaces, around narrow access gates and dense planting areas with ease. The self-propelled drive handles incline work effortlessly, minimizing operator fatigue. Depending on the work area, you are able to choose from 7 deck positions, from 20 to 80 millimeters. The high-efficiency blade optimizes airflow for thorough grass collection, and being able to quickly switch between systems will ensure you save yourself time. You are able to choose between bagging, mulching, side discharge or rear discharge. Some other beneficial features of these mowers include a 55-litre rear collection bag, stopping you from having to continuously empty the bag. And if you're stuck working in the late afternoon or a dimly lit area, the front LED lights will assist you while you complete your task. These mowers also fold neatly and flat, which is perfect for storing them in your shed or work vehicle. Upgrade your equipment lineup with advanced cordless performance. Available at your local TradeTools store or online at TradeTools.com. Don't forget to like and follow us for those great tool deals.